the ceremony soon. Little David was small, but oh my. Little David was small, but oh my. He fought big Goliath who lay